Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Many desserts receive a sprinkling of jimmies after baking. However, unless the baked goods are frosted, the sprinkles usually fall off. If you dust the top of brownie batter with sprinkles just before baking, the sprinkles slightly sink into the batter and remain in position after baking.
Let's help you make your mark.
A. Colored sugar, sprinkles and other similar cookie decorations have an indefinite shelf life, as they are made of pure sugar for the most part. Sugar does not support bacterial growth, so it rarely goes bad. 28 November 2012.
Take our lead.
Sugar. Cookies can be decorated with sugar before or after baking. To help the sugar stick before baking, brush each cookie with beaten egg white with a pastry brush, top with a light coating of sugar and bake. After baking, apply to sugar to wet icing or piping gel.
Take our lead.
If you want to add sprinkles to cookies, cupcakes, breads, or cakes before baking, that is totally and completely okay. Add sprinkles to the tops of these baked goods right before they go into the oven. Adding sprinkles to wet batter is the only way to get them to stick without an additional glue like frosting. 4 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.